Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I hope everyone's doing well out there. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you'd like, go over and check out my Facebook group. I'll link it here. Or I'll put the link here. And I'm just starting out. It's called Show Me Your Pour and More with TSR Creations. So I want to see all your art, not just pours. I'm excited. I just want to see new things, and I want people to help each other out and answer questions and all that. So if you'd like to join my group, go over there and do so. So today I think I'm going to do, I really don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to kind of play around. I have some pearl mixture. I have some regular mix. I'm just going to kind of play around with this and experiment and see what I can get. I did a swipe slash pearl effect a couple videos back, and I really liked it. So I think that's what I'm going to try to do on this 12 by 12 inch. May turn out totally different, so just ride along with me. All right, so I'm going to put some music on and just start playing with some paint, okay? All right. Oops, almost forgot to tell you. This is going to be one of my base coats. This is a Modern Masters metallic paint. And this one's called Shimmering Sky. It's beautiful. Here it is. So that's going to be one of my paints. And then I have like a gray mix here. That's just been a mixture that I probably scraped off my table. Okay, so let's get to it. I'll put all the colors that I'm going to use, because I don't really know what I'm going to use yet, in my description. Like I said, we're playing around here.
Yesterday evening's all I miss, and I know you're still in town. You should know I've seen you when you walk around, and there's nothing more to say. I just need for you to take my hand and stay. Too many times you slipped my heart. It's not always a sign. Oh, it's gonna we stop feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness. It's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this weightless, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on. Yeah, I'm moving on. It's like they're all watching. We're on our way to the ground, and I don't love you the same way. We're still moving, but without a sound. God knows it's a long way down. It's a different kind of lonely. It's a different kind of sad. 'Cause we got no more if only, and we stop feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness. It's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this weightless, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on. Then you've been moving on, and I've been moving on, and you've been moving on. Oh, we're breaking up in pieces on this merry-go-round. Oh, it's not a pleasant sight. We got nowhere to hide. Ooh, got any final wishes? I've already made mine. Ooh, best of luck. I see you on the other side. It's a different kind of lonely. It's a different kind of sad. 'Cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. So we're moving on. Yeah, we're moving on. Yeah, we're moving on. Yeah, we're moving on.
All right, so this came out really pretty. I love it. So I did use the pearl mixture that I had, but I didn't get that many pearls. Maybe some more will pop up, but I didn't stretch it all that much. Some came up here, but I'm actually kind of happy with the minimalistic look of this from the pearls. Sometimes the pearls can take over. So I used a lot of colors in here that I had left over. These are the Alchemy paints. Alchemy. They come in little tiny jars. I put them in these, and I just mixed it with Floetrol and water. They're my normal swipe mixture, Floetrol and water. This was a Dragon Fire over here. It's just like a light opaly white, and it has kind of like a greenish undertone. This was the Pink Quartz by Modern Masters. This was Pearl by Deco Art. What else? That's all I really used. Like I said, the gray was a mix that I had, a custom mix. The blue was the Modern Masters Shimmering Sky. And then I threw in these colors I had mixed up. This one is Rose Gold by Modern Masters. I think it's Rose Gold. Hold on. Rose by Modern Masters. I used that. I used a little of this, and this was a Portrait Pink. Just a tiny bit I used to that. You can see that. I had a very light blue that I used. And I had a gray. Oh, it's almost like a... These were mixed, like I said, I've had them for so long. This was like a gray mixture that I probably scraped off my table. So that could be why I didn't get as many pearls, because I did use a lot of things that when you scrape it off your table, unless you're using the same exact things in all your paints, they're not going to be the same way they went onto your canvas. So that could be why I didn't get as many pearls. But you know what? I'm really happy with this. It's really pretty. I think it's going to dry great. I did swipe in a little of the Floetrol mixture, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam White. All right, that is going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. All right, have a great day, and I'll catch y'all soon. Bye-bye.